जय गुरु जी। संगत जी, अब आप ही प्यारी प्यारी संगत में से किसी एक संगत ने मेरे को ये स्क्रीन पे दिए गए ईमेल आईडी पर एक सत्संग शेयर करा और वो चाहते हैं कि मैं आप सब संगत के साथ उनका सत्संग जो है वो शेयर करूं। विद इमेंस ग्रैटिट्यूड एट द लोटस फीट ऑफ गुरु महाराज, वही संगत जी, उनकी तरफ से है ये मैसेज। आई हम्बली थैंक हिम फॉर ऑलवेज keeping his divine gaze upon us. I pray he continues to bless me with the wisdom and understanding to walk only on the path he has shown. Today, I feel deeply called to share a recent and very special satsang experience with you all. Whether someone is part of the satsang or not, it makes no difference to Guruji. Our beloved Mahashiv continues to bless each of us, often fulfilling prayers we didn't even realize we had long forgotten. आप सबसे भी प्लीज़ संगत जी ये रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर आप भी चाहते हैं कि मैं आपका सत्संग अपने इस पेज पे शेयर करूं और लोगों तक पहुंचाऊं, तो प्लीज़ इस स्क्रीन पे दिए गए ईमेल आईडी पर आप अपना सत्संग शेयर करिए। आप चाहते हैं मैं आपका नाम लूं तो मैं आपका नाम ले सकती हूं। आप जैसे इन अंकल जी ने बोला कि मेरा नाम नहीं आना चाहिए, लेकिन मैं अपना सत्संग जो है वो शेयर करना चाहता हूं। जिससे आप सत्संग शेयर करने से क्या होता है, मैंने पहले भी वीडियो में शेयर किया है कि मतलब आपको भी ब्लेसिंग मिलेगी और जो आपका सत्संग सुनेगा उसको भी ब्लेसिंग मिलेगी। आगे सत्संग अंकल शेयर करते हैं। But what makes this satsang so significant for me is the realization Maharaj blessed me with, that the sanctity and purity of satsang are slowly being overshadowed. Somewhere along the way, we ourselves have disrupted the flow of the divine vibrations that used to grace our satsang so effortlessly. A few days ago, Maharaj gave me a dream darshan, one that I now understand was not just for me but for all of us. In the dream, a satsang was taking place at my home. The sangat was seated, sevadars were sincerely observed in their sevas, and amidst this serene scene, Guruji lovingly signaled for me to come forward. I bowed and greeted him saying, Namaste Guruji, Hanji, please guide me. Guruji instructed me to bring a large basket. After searching around, I found one in the kitchen, the kind we used to store clean utensils. Guruji then said, cover it with a cloth and bring it here. When I returned with the covered basket, Guruji began gently pointing towards individual members of the Sangat, this auntie, that uncle, one by one, and even gestures towards other rooms. He told me to collect everyone's mobile phones and place them in the basket. So I walked around the satsang respectfully, gathering the phones from each Sangat, including those of my own family and sevadars, regardlessly of which seva they were doing. Once done, I placed the basket in front of Guruji and said, Guruji, these are all the mobile phones. Guruji then softly instructed, take this basket and leave it outside on the balcony. And then he said something so profound it still echoes within me. These devices are blocking the vibrations. I placed the basket outside, returned to sit near Guruji, and then the dream ended. Exactly a week later, we had a satsang at our home on 25th February 2025. ये बिल्कुल रीसेंट सत्संग है गुरुजी संगत, प्लीज़ इसको शेयर ज़रूर करिएगा। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सत्संग है हमारे जो भी लोग सत्संग करते हैं उनके लिए। Remembering Guruji's message, we made sure to include a note in the invitation. Mobile phones are not allowed during the satsang. Kindly keep them in your vehicles, switch them off completely or place them in the designated basket. That days, Sangat from all walks of life joined. Some attending for the very first time, others who regularly come, and a few who hadn't been in a while. And I cannot describe the divine shift we all felt. Without the distraction of mobile phones, the entire Sangat experienced an undeniable flow of powerful vibrations, bliss, and Guruji's infinite Moj. It felt as though we had returned to the true essence of what a satsang is meant to be, a space filled with pure blessings and unbroken presence. So today, Sangaji, with folded hands, I make this humble request. I have witnessed the time when even in Guruji's mandir, mobile phones were never allowed. Yet slowly, somewhere we stopped following this discipline. Even when Sevadars remind us, we sometimes choose not to listen, justify our actions by comparing ourselves with others and forgetting that Guruji himself never permitted phones during satsang or on darbar. For us, from now on, this will be a permanent practice in our home. During satsang, mobile phones are strictly prohibited. Shukrana to Guru Maharaj, who keeps correcting us with so much love, constantly guiding us back to the right path even when we begin to drift. If any of my words have caused hurt or offense to anyone, I sincerely seek forgiveness from Guruji and his beloved Sangat. This message is not directed towards any one individual. It is for all of us. With endless gratitude at his feet. जय गुरुजी, शुक्राना गुरुजी. संगत जी, ये गुरुजी संगत है, ये जापान में रहती है और उन्होंने अपना सत्संग शेयर किया है. प्लीज़ संगत जी, इन्होंने उनका नाम लेने के लिए मना किया है, तो मैं उनका सत्संग शेयर कर रही हूँ. अगर आप भी अपना प्यारा प्यारा सत्संग या अपनी फीलिंग्स गुरुजी महाराज से कनेक्शन अपना कुछ भी शेयर करना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ दिए गए ईमेल आईडी पर अपना सत्संग शेयर करिए. चाहे आप ऑडियो में करिए और अगर आप रिटन में करेंगे तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. चाहे आप टाइप करके कर लीजिए और मैं उसको शेयर करूँगी अपने इस पेज पे. जय गुरुजी, शुक्राना गुरुजी, बहुत बहुत प्यार.